3, 2, 1.
What year was Sviatoslav's empire consolidated? The answer is C, 972. Which of the following is the narrator interested in? The answer is D, they like to consume literature. When did Pope Pius Roman IX become a Roman Catholic? The answer is A, 1854. What was the lockout chip number for UK, Italy, and Australia? The answer is C, 3197. What may be a fact about J? The answer is D, they're a graphic designer. What may happen after this month ends for them? The answer is A, they will move into a new home. To fillet pieces off of a citrus rind, how would you do this? The answer is A, use a small spoon to fillet the pieces off. To quickly put even holes into cardstock, how would you do this? The answer is A, use a pen to punch a hole in the paper. How many of the plants that can only be found on Norfolk Island are rare or threatened? The answer is A, 18. Why do they cry over sports? The answer is C, they are very invested in the game. In what U.S. city can you find the Basketball Hall of Fame? The answer is C, Springfield, Massachusetts. The college grants Bachelor of Science/Arts degrees in 28 majors and how many minors? The answer is C, 50. Who is not one of the Cartwright sons on the TV series Bonanza? The answer is D, Ben. To within 1 year either way, when was the Sydney Opera House formally opened by Queen Elizabeth Roman II? The answer is A, 1973. Why would I need a cup of tea in the afternoon? The answer is B, because I get tired from all day of working. In which year was the English character actor who were active during the 1940s, 1950s, and 1960s and appeared in Marilyn alongside Omar Sharif and Catherine Deneuve? The answer is A, 1907. Duct tape, how would you do this? The answer is A, can patch shoe hole. How will Nick feel today? The answer is D, he will feel like he has a cold. A man in blue stands in an auditorium. He does gymnastics on some equipment. People, what happens next? The answer is C, or watching from the stands. A proposed mechanism for a reaction is as follows. No 2 plus F2 right arrow no 2 F plus F slow step. F plus no 2 right arrow no 2 F fast step. What is the order of the answer overall is C, reaction?
Second order.
What is true about Scott? The answer is A. He went with me to Lake Erie. Why is getting the cable fixed such a hassle? The answer is C. None of the above choices. What may happen after the next sprinting round? The answer is A. They joined K-Bomb. To crush garlic cloves, how would you do this? The answer is A. Use a cheese grater to crush them. Why might I have been contacted by agency? The answer is B. They thought I had failed to pay my bills. Why did I use the stick? The answer is D. To ensure my next step was safe. What was wrong with the water? The answer is B. None of the above choices. Glass jar, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be used as a container. When were mini CDs released? The answer is C. 1980. How many restaurants had internet connectivity? The answer is C. 234. When did Maimonides visit Jerusalem? The answer is C. 1165. The 13C chemical shifts of benzene and chloroform are 128.4 ppm and 77.2 ppm respectively. What is the difference in the 13C NMR frequencies of the two compounds on a 600 MHz spectrometer? What may be a plausible fact about my feelings of the man? The answer is A. I was annoyed with the man. Why would the narrator decide to go on OkCupid? The answer is D. The narrator is doing some spying. Which Boeing airliner made its maiden flight in September 1981? The answer is A. 767. Which of these is not found in a Snickers candy bar? The answer is A. Almonds. Which of the following is not a TV cartoon duo? The answer is C. Simon and Garfunkel. The date subsidiary label expired in what year? The answer is C. 1965. When did Alfred the Great's reign begin? The answer is B. 871. Tangled in Rains is the second album by a rock band that is based in Norwalk, Connecticut, and was formed in what year? The answer is D. 1990. Why could Ant1 find the narrator on Facebook? The answer is D. Their account got deleted. What year did Dell announce its buyout deal? The answer is A. 2013. In rugby union, how many yards position is a team penalized for arguing with a referee's decision? The answer is A. 10. What year did the whooping crane begin to get attention? The answer is D. 1890. In which year was the Henrywood Promenade Concerts, otherwise known as the Proms, founded? The answer is B. 1895. In what year did Rothko donate Passion of Christ murals? The answer is A. 1962. The person puts the glove on a dog with its claw sticking through the hole. A person shows a clipping tool the person. What happens next? The answer is B. Then sands the dog's claw with an electric sander. What is causing the narrator's stress at the moment? The answer is C. They are under a time crunch. When did the Larsen B ice shelf collapse? The answer is A. 2002. In what year did Ducal Prussia cease to exist?